Hello everyone, this is Mr. Mahmoud explaining course 1, chapter 1, lesson number 5, graph ratio tables. How can we graph ratio tables? This is what we are going to know right now. But first we need to know what is the coordinate plane. The coordinate plane is formed when two perpendicular number lines intersect at their 0 point. Like this number line, the horizontal one, we call it the x-axis, and the vertical one, we call it the y-axis. They intersect at their 0 point. The point is called the origin. This point is called the origin. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis and the vertical number line is called the y-axis. An ordered pair such as 2 and 3 is a pair of numbers used to locate a point on the coordinate plane. 2 and 3 means we move 2 units on the x-axis, and we always move on the x-axis first, then we go up 3 units along the y-axis. Let me show you how. So start from the 0, 2 units on the x-axis, then we move up 1, 2, 3. Here this is the point, exactly 2 and 3. Now let's fill in the blanks with the highlighted words from above. What do we call this one? Yes, this is the y-axis. This is the origin point. This is the x-axis. This is another ordered pair. And this is the coordinate plane, as you can see. Now, moving on. Graph ordered pairs. You can use an ordered pair to name any point on the coordinate plane. The first number in an ordered pair is the x coordinate, and the second number is the y coordinate. This is an agreement. We always consider the first as x coordinate and the second as y coordinate. Let me show you how. Let's take this example. The table shows the cost in dollars to create CDs of digital photos at a photo shop. The table also shows this information as ordered pairs. Number of CDs first is the x coordinate. Cost in dollars will be the y coordinate. So when we have one CD, it will cost $3. So 2 CDs, $6, 3 CDs, $9, and so on. So the ordered pair as an x and y, 1 and 3, 2 and 6, 3 and 9. Now let's graph. 1 and 3. This is our start, the origin. We move 1 unit on the x-axis, then 3 units along the y-axis, then we plot 1 and 3. Again, the ordered pair 2 and 6. We move 2 units along the x-axis, 6 units along the y-axis, and we put the point 2 and 6. Now, 3 and 9. We move 3 along the x-axis up to 9 along the y-axis, and we plot a point. So we have now 3 points, 1 and 3, 2 and 6, 3 and 9. Describe the pattern in the graph. The points appear in a line. Means if you take your sharp edge or your ruler, these 3 points will belong to one line. Each point is 1 unit to the right and 3 units up. Means if you take 1 unit 3 units up, you will reach 2 and 6. 1 unit 3 units up, you will reach 3 and 9. So the cost increases by $3 for every CD created. Now, if you got it, let's solve this one. The table shows Gloria's earnings for 1, 2, and 3 hours. The table also lists this information as ordered pairs, hours, then earnings. So for the hours, it will be the x coordinate. For the earnings, it will be the y coordinate. For 1 hour, she earns $5, so 2 hours $10, 3 hours $15, and so on. So the order pairs are 1 and 5, 2 and 10, 3 and 15, and let's plot them together. 1 and 5, we move 1 along the x, then 5 units up. 5 units will be exactly in the middle between 4 and 6. This is 1 and 5. Now 2 and 10, so go to 2 on the x-axis up to 10 on the y-axis. This is 2 and 10. 3 and 15, 3 along the x-axis, 15 along the y-axis, exactly in the middle between 14 and 16. And these points appear to be on one line. And also Gloria's earnings increasing by 5. So describe the pattern in the graph. Points are on one line. Gloria's earnings increase by $5 every hour. By this, my dear students, we come to the end of our lesson for today. Till we meet again, goodbye.